Fresh, crisp salads start with properly washed and dried greens, and the right kitchen tool makes all the difference. Best salad spinner to buy options can save time, remove excess water quickly, and make meal prep easier. In this guide, we'll explore top-rated models that deliver convenience, durability, and excellent performance for every kitchen. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. SUSTEAS Salad Spinner. The SUSTEAS Salad Spinner is a practical kitchen tool designed to simplify multiple food preparation tasks in one compact unit. Combining washing, drying, and chopping functions, it eliminates the need for several separate gadgets and helps save valuable counter space. The included 5 interchangeable blades make it easy to slice, shred, and dice vegetables for salads, side dishes, and meal prep. Its food-grade construction provides confidence when preparing fresh produce, while the durable 304 stainless steel blades maintain sharp performance through regular use. The 4.5-liter basket offers enough capacity for preparing meals for small families, making it convenient for daily use. The spin drying mechanism works efficiently with a simple turn, removing excess moisture from vegetables, fruits, and even cooked pasta. Easy disassembly and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup straightforward, adding to the overall convenience and functionality of this versatile kitchen helper. Number 2. Subbuteo Electric Salad Spinner. The Subbuteo Electric Salad Spinner offers a modern approach to drying vegetables and fruits with minimal effort. Its one-touch operation makes it especially appealing for busy cooks who want quick results without manual pumping or cranking. After a double click, the spinner completes its cycle and automatically shuts off, allowing users to focus on other kitchen tasks. The rechargeable battery is a standout feature, delivering impressive longevity that can last for months between charges under normal use. Its cordless design adds flexibility and convenience during meal preparation. The generous 4-quart capacity comfortably handles family-sized portions of leafy greens, herbs, berries, and vegetables in a single batch. A whisper-quiet motor keeps operation discreet, making it suitable for early mornings or late evenings. Fully detachable components simplify cleaning and maintenance, ensuring the spinner remains hygienic and ready for everyday use in any kitchen setting.
Number 3. Farberware Colander Salad Spinner. The Farberware Colander Salad Spinner is a dependable kitchen accessory designed to make preparing fresh produce quicker and more efficient. Its large capacity bowl and basket provide enough room to wash and dry generous portions of lettuce, fruits, vegetables, and berries for family meals. The one-handed pump mechanism stands out for its simplicity, allowing users to operate the spinner with ease while multitasking in the kitchen. A convenient brake button quickly stops the basket when drying is complete, helping streamline food preparation. Stability is another strong point, thanks to the non-slip base that keeps the unit secure during operation while protecting countertops from scratches. Beyond salad preparation, the basket functions effectively as a colander, while the clear bowl doubles as a serving dish for finished salads. This combination of versatility, convenience, and user-friendly design makes it a valuable addition to everyday meal preparation. Number 4. OXO Steel Salad Spinner. The OXO Steel Salad Spinner combines durability, style, and performance in a design that fits seamlessly into modern kitchens. Its one-handed pump mechanism makes drying lettuce, herbs, fruits, and vegetables remarkably simple, requiring minimal effort to achieve crisp, ready-to-serve ingredients. The soft-touch pump feels comfortable during use, while the non-slip base keeps the spinner stable even during vigorous operation. One of its most useful features is the integrated brake button, which instantly stops the spinning basket for quick access to contents. The stainless steel bowl adds a premium appearance and serves a dual purpose as an attractive serving bowl for salads or fruit presentations. Cleanup is equally convenient, with a lid designed for easy disassembly and dishwasher-safe components that reduce maintenance time. Combining efficient performance with elegant construction, the OXO Steel Salad Spinner is a reliable choice for frequent salad lovers and home cooks.
Number 5. WantJoin Commercial Salad Spinner. The WantJoin Commercial Salad Spinner is built for users who need to process large quantities of produce efficiently. With its impressive 6-gallon capacity, it can handle multiple heads of lettuce and substantial batches of greens in a single cycle, making it ideal for restaurants, catering businesses, and large households. The sturdy, non-slip silicone base enhances stability during operation, reducing movement and improving safety in busy food preparation environments. An extended drainage spout simplifies water removal, allowing faster workflow and reducing preparation time. The reinforced construction, featuring durable plastic materials combined with stainless steel gears and crank components, provides the strength needed for frequent heavy-duty use. Its large capacity helps maintain productivity by minimizing the number of drying cycles required throughout the day. Designed with durability and practicality in mind, the WantJoin commercial salad spinner offers dependable performance for anyone preparing fresh produce on a larger scale. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.